This is the automatic motorbike wash machine, the model of conveyor wash. The machine is designed and produced by our company. The machine is ideal solutions for either small size with limited queuing space or areas that have higher volume peak times. So now let's see how the machine works. Firstly, you need to move the bike to the marked positions and lock the bike handles by the handcuffs. Press Alt button to perform the washing process. The motorbike then automatically moves into the machines by the conveyor. Snow foam inbuilt will be sprayed out. At the same time, side brushes and bottom brushes work together effectively clean the motorbike. The motorbike then continuously be dragged through a tunnel where they are washed again with another pair of side and bottom brushes. Each bike is washed in 1.5 minutes. The machines can wash 2 to 3 motorbikes at the same time, and it can wash up to 90 bikes per hour. The washing process is finished when the motorbike is moved out in the other end. So now we release the handcuff from the bike handle and do drying manual. Press up so that the slider and handcuffs can come back to pick up the new bike. So if you are interested in our Conveyor Motorbike wash machine, you can contact us through my WhatsApp number 84902151353 or email to me.